quick recording on how to do custom door leaves. So we have these shaker panel doors. These are just modeled with slabs and in floor plan as if the door is laying flat. I've actually laid these out so I can make modifications to them, edit them, and then just save over the top of them later. But if we look at what that means in 3D, we'll isolate this piece out. That's basically just a simple door slab, so 5 slabs for this one shaker door, and it looks right in elevation, looks pretty close in 3D. So when I want to save this door, I just want to make sure that I grab just those slabs and I go to the settings. You want to make sure that all of the pens and surfaces used here are exactly what you want to see in the model, because these are not editable in the door settings after they've been saved. You'd have to modify the slabs and save over the top of the door again. So then again, I label the door by width because these widths and heights are going to stretch and distort if the door gets bigger. So this 210 door, if it were applied to a 2.6 door in the model, these vertical rails would all get squeezed together, as would the panels. So I go to File, Libraries and Objects, Save Selection As, door leaf. There's also door up here, cabinet door. There's all different elements that you can save this as. I want to save this as a door leaf, so it's a sub part of a door. In my library, I have a folder here just for doors, and then I see that this was already saved as a 2.6, 6.8 4-panel shaker door. Because I moved the location of that horizontal rail before I started recording this, I want to save over the top of this, so I'm just going to save that same. If I wanted an additional door, I could model it and just save it with a new name. I always like to name these by their width and height, again, because that's really a critical element in these custom doors. And it already exists, so it's going to replace that, and it'll give me a notification saying this new custom 2.6 panel shaker will be available in the settings of the dialog box. So if I say OK there, I can then come into my model and take a look at, well, here's a 210 door, but if we take a look, it's the same settings. Under door leaf, I can see it says custom here, and that's where that 210 6.8, 2.6 6.8, and you can see if I apply that door, it stretches those rails. So I want to make sure that the 210 door is using the 210 door here. So that's where you would apply that door leaf, is just as a custom door type. In this long list, it's just the second from the last, custom door, and then door leaf name is pulled from any available door custom door leaves that have been applied to this project, in this case just in the embedded library.